Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add tokens on Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your particular Phantom wallet app of yours. Make sure you have signed in with your account so you can access the particular options to add tokens. Once you have opened up your app, this is how the interface gonna look like. From over here, you can check out your balance on top, your receive option, send option, and buy option, and the display tokens as well. Now if you want to add more tokens to the display, go ahead, tap on this option of manage token list given at the bottom. Then as soon as you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like, and these are the available tokens that you can add. So for you to simply go ahead, tap on the search bar and search any other tokens that you would like to add, and if they are available for you to use in Phantom wallet, you will find the token. Tap on the token and you will find this little turning on toggle beside it, and then turn it on. As you can see, example over here, once you have found the token, we have simply turned on the toggle, and when we go back, all of it turned on toggled tokens will be shown on the display right over there. That's how easy it is. Make sure to search it up and tap on it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.